All right, guys, it's Clay with CPAP My Way, CPAPmyway.com. Back in the front because we've got some masks that we need to let you know are being discontinued from Resmed. There are three of them. We have got the Activa LT, which is a nasal mask. We've got the AirFit F10, which is a traditional full face mask. And we have the Quattro FX, which is also a traditional full face mask. So I'm gonna start off with the nasal because these two actually have a lot of similar recommendations, so we can kind of hit them at the same time. The Mirage Activa LT is a crazy, unique mask. I kind of compare it to is it the Alien movie where the mouth jumps out or whatever?
Welcome to the world of face huggers.
Very, very similar. And I don't know if you can see that or not, how the cushion actually jumps out onto the face. So as pressure is applied to this mask, it sucks onto your face. It's bulky, it's big, and you can see why with all these parts and pieces that they're probably discontinuing it because it's expensive to make, and probably not a lot of people like this bulkiness anymore. But it is super unique, and I always thought it was a pretty cool mask. However, it's big and bulky, and there's some really good options. Resmed is recommending that you go to their N20, right? This is actually the AirTouch N20. It's available in silicone or foam, the Fit or the Touch. But you'll notice that it's a very large departure from the Activa here, right? No forehead piece on that N20. So if you like a forehead piece for stability, which it is more stable when you've got the forehead piece in traditional 4-point headgear, I've got some other recommendations for you. The also Resmed Mirage FX, it's definitely much more low profile than that Mirage Activa LT. This is the Mirage FX. I'll get some links in the description to all these. Very traditional 4-point, very lightweight. And from Fisher and Paykel, we've got the Eson 2. This is an awesome mask, really, really quiet, very light, fits a wide range, is available as a fit pack, really high quality headgear. So that's also another nice option outside of the what Resmed's recommending. And if you're gonna consider something like the N20, you probably ought to also consider like this Nova Nasal from Fisher & Paykel, really high quality mask as well, really high quality headgear. It just doesn't have that forehead piece. So those are 4 great options for the replacement of the Activa LT. The discontinuation, I think it's important to tell you that what that means is they're gonna stop making it, or I guess I should say probably have stopped making it. We've still got some inventory of all of them, so you can kind of get it while it lasts. But pretty soon you're not gonna be able to get parts or pieces at all for it. All right, now let's check out the full face masks. We've got the Quattro FX with that old school blue headgear from Resmed, and the AirFit F10, which really was just the predecessor to the F20. Resmed is recommending that anybody on either of these masks switch to the AirFit F20. All right, obviously going from the F10 to the F20 makes a lot of sense. Looking at them side by side, you really can just see that like frame, headgear, connections, quiet level, this F20 is genuinely a step up from the F10. So that's simple. If you're on the F10, I recommend going to the F20. And then if you are on the Quattro FX here, that's a little more unique. It kind of has that Bane mask look or whatever.
No one cared who I was till I put on the mask.
Very unique headgear compared to these others, and a spring-loaded frame kind of that helps seal things up, and a really, really tacky silicone. I don't know if you can even tell. It is not a silky silicone. It is built to like stick to the face, which means that this mask sealed pretty well at high pressures. So the only other mask that's got this kind of silicone left on the market, as far as my understanding, is the Quattro FX. I mean, the Mirage Quattro. Sorry, you get confused with all the different Quattros. This is the standard Mirage Quattro. This is the Quattro FX. Both of them have that really high quality tacky silicone. So if you're on a high pressure and the other options that Resmed is recommending, or that I'm going to recommend on the side, don't work for you, the Mirage Quattro is a good old school tacky silicone mask. Resmed is also recommending the F20 for people using the Quattro FX, but I'm going to show you 2 more that are pretty unique as far as their offerings go. This one is actually a lot similar to the Quattro FX. This is the Rain 8. It's also like 1/3 the price probably. It's a really, really affordable mask. It's got, you know, that little bit more of a flexible seal there, and it fits very similar. If you're looking at these two, similar exhalations, similar design. and it's really, really cheap, certainly worth trying. So if we have the 30-day guarantee, so if you try this, you can always exchange it for something similar. Another one that's kind of like the mid-tier is the Siesta 2. This one also is very, very similar to the Quattro FX. If we pull it up again here and look at it, really, really low profile as far as what it covers on the face, up near the eyes. It also has a really nice spring-loaded cushion. It does have a little different exhalation, which is probably an upgrade from the FX and from the Rain 8 as far as exhalation, draft, and noise. But it's also very, very similar. So we're gonna have links to those below. So that's what Resmed is knocking out. Get the parts while they last. We've got links to all the parts and pieces to these on our website, and while we have them in stock, you can buy them. It's not gonna be much longer. And if you need to switch to one of these, remember that we've got the 30-day guarantee. You can try it until you find something you like. And we'll work with you. If you want to talk to one of the customer service reps, you can easily contact us from our website, and we can give you some advice and work through things. So, hope you liked the video. Hit us with a thumbs up if you did. Comment with anything, especially if you found one that you upgraded from. Give some people advice out there. Subscribe for more information like this.